What's up, everybody? Well, John McGarrett's here with another YouTube tip. And this tip I feel like is going to be pretty big because this is what's holding you back from doing certain things and trying out new things and stuff like that. And this is a topic I want to call cringe versus immoral. Um, Essentially, it goes like this: not all cringe is immoral, but all immorality is cringe. So there's things in your mind that you do that you don't want to do, like public speaking or like I don't know, sales stuff, bunch of different stuff, talking to somebody, who knows, like hitting on girls. I don't know. I'm trying to think of things or whatever. Um, like hitting. So I'm flustering now because that last example was a really bad one. But um, there's things on YouTube like asking for subs. This is the biggest one. So if you do find value from my channel or anything like that, please subscribe. But so that is one thing that is a example of that would be cringe, and it feels bad. But we often conflate cringe with immorality. So if you are presented with an opportunity, an option to do something that should further your channel, that is cringe, that will put you on a full stop. But what you should be looking for is if it is immoral or not, because immoral things usually trigger the same signals in your brain as like cringe stuff does. But not all cringe stuff is immoral, but all immoral stuff is cringe. So, for instance, asking for subscribers feels really bad and it feels wrong, but it's not wrong. It's not immoral to ask somebody to subscribe. If you think it's going to hurt your brand and stuff like that, whatever, but it's not immoral and it's actually good for your channel's growth. So, just quick tip: keep this in mind when you're making YouTube videos. And again, if you find value in this, please subscribe.